Ever wondered about the top places to visit in Sri Lanka? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're going to whisk you away on a virtual tour, showcasing the top 25 must-visit spots in this breathtaking island nation. From verdant tea plantations to historic temples, stunning beaches to wildlife-rich national parks, we've got it all covered. Ready to embark on a virtual journey through the pearl of the Indian Ocean? Let's dive in. Starting at number 25, we have the captivating city of Negombo. Known for its long sandy beaches and centuries-old fishing industry, Negombo is a delightful mix of old-world charm and bustling modernity. Next, at number 24, is the fascinating city of Jaffna. With a unique culture shaped by multiple influences over centuries, Jaffna is a tapestry of historical attractions, mouth-watering cuisine, and warm hospitality. Coming in at number 23, we have the enchanting Sinharaja Forest Reserve. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a paradise for nature lovers, with its rich biodiversity, lush greenery, and exotic wildlife. At number 22, we have the awe-inspiring Dambulla Cave Temple, also known as the Golden Temple of Dambulla. This sacred Buddhist site is a wonder of ancient art and architecture, filled with intricate murals and statues. And finally, rounding out our first five at number 21, is the charming town of Galle. With its beautifully preserved Dutch fort, stunning coastline, and vibrant arts scene, Galle is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So there you have it. From the bustling city of Negombo to the quaint charm of Galle, these places offer a unique glimpse into the rich tapestry that is Sri Lanka. Each location is a world in its own right, filled with history, culture, and natural beauty. And remember, this is just the beginning. We still have 20 more amazing places to explore, each one more captivating than the last. So if these first 5 places have piqued your interest, just wait till you see what's coming next. Sri Lanka is a land of infinite wonders, a place where every turn reveals a new adventure, a new story. And we can't wait to take you on this journey, to show you the very best that this beautiful country has to offer. So stay tuned because we're just getting started. And the best, as they say, is yet to come. Eager for more? Hold on to your seats. Moving on to number 20, we find ourselves at the breathtaking Ella. This small town is a paradise for hikers and nature lovers, boasting lush landscapes and stunning views. With its famous 9-arch bridge and Ella Rock, it's a place that offers a unique blend of tranquility and adventure. Next up, at number 19, is the vibrant city of Jaffna. Located in the northernmost region of the country, Jaffna is a testament to Sri Lanka's rich history and culture. Here, you can visit the iconic Jaffna Fort, explore Hindu temples, or enjoy the local cuisine, which is as diverse and colorful as the city itself. Coming in at number 18 is the Yala National Park. Known for its wide variety of wildlife, from leopards to elephants, it's a must-visit destination for all animal enthusiasts. And if that's not enough, the park is also home to a beautiful coastline, making it a great spot for both exploration and relaxation. On to number 17, we have the ancient city of Polonnaruwa. Once the capital of Sri Lanka, today it stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with well-preserved ruins that give you a glimpse into the country's past. Whether you're a history buff or just an avid traveler, Polonnaruwa is a place that promises a journey back in time. Finally, at number 16, we arrive at the Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. This unique destination is home to a herd of orphaned elephants that are cared for by dedicated volunteers. The Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage offers an incredible opportunity to see these majestic creatures up close, making it a truly unforgettable experience. And we're just getting started. And now, at number 15, we have the delightful city of Galle. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Galle is an enchanting blend of history and culture. Its colonial architecture, the famous Galle Fort, and the mesmerizing views of the Indian Ocean make it a must-visit. Moving on to number 14, let's make a stop at the Horton Plains National Park. This park is a paradise for nature lovers. It offers a diverse landscape of montane grassland, cloud forest, and rare wildlife. Don't forget to take a trek to World's End, a sheer cliff with a drop of about 4,000 feet. At lucky number 13, we find ourselves in the charming town of Nuwara Eliya. Often referred to as Little England, it boasts of lush tea plantations, a cool climate, and colonial-era bungalows. The Hakala Botanic Gardens and the serene Gregory Lake are just a couple of the many attractions this town offers. Coming in at number 12 is the Yala National Park. This is the most visited and second largest national park in Sri Lanka. It's home to a wide variety of wildlife, including leopards, elephants, and a plethora of bird species. Yala provides a thrilling adventure into the heart of Sri Lanka's wilderness. Finally, at number 11, we have the Dambulla Cave Temple. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is the largest and best-preserved cave temple complex in Sri Lanka. It houses a series of 5 caves with over 2,000 square meters of painted walls and ceilings. The temple complex dates back to the 1st century BC and is a testament to the artistic and architectural prowess of the ancient Sri Lankans. These are but a taste of what Sri Lanka has to offer. Each location is steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty, awaiting your exploration. Stay tuned, the top 10 is coming up next. Cracking the top 10 is the remarkable Galley Dutch Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that whispers tales of the colonial era. Encapsulating a blend of European and Asian architecture, this fort is a testament to Sri Lanka's diverse history. At number 9, we have Yala National Park, a wildlife haven that's home to a plethora of species. Here you'll find leopards lurking in the shadows, elephants meandering through grasslands, and exotic birds adding a splash of color to the sky. Yala is a true paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. Moving on to number 8, we find ourselves in the captivating city of Kandy. Known as the last capital of the Sinhala kings, Kandy is a cultural cocktail that's sure to tantalize your senses. Its star attraction, the Temple of the Tooth, is a sacred Buddhist site that houses the relic of the tooth of Buddha. In the 7th spot, we have the enchanting Adam's Peak, a conical mountain that's a popular pilgrimage site. As you ascend its steps in the early morning, you'll be rewarded with a breathtaking sunrise that paints the sky in hues of gold. There's something truly magical about Adam's Peak that leaves an indelible mark on your heart. Finally, at number 6, we have the stunning coastal town of Unawatuna. With its palm-fringed beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant marine life, Unawatuna is the epitome of tropical paradise. Whether you're a sun worshipper, a water sports enthusiast, or a snorkeling buff, Unawatuna promises an experience like no other. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through places 10 to 6, each offering a unique slice of Sri Lanka's cultural, historical, and natural beauty. But hold on to your seats because we're not done yet. Ready for the top 5? You won't believe what's at number 1. Scene script. Here we are. The top 5 places to visit in Sri Lanka are... Starting off at number 5, we have the bustling city of Kandy. Known for its scenic beauty and rich cultural value, Kandy is home to the Temple of the Tooth, a must-see for any traveler. Moving on to number 4, we find ourselves in the rugged terrains of Ella. Ella is a hiker's paradise, with its panoramic views, the iconic 9-arch bridge, and challenging trails that lead to breathtaking waterfalls. Next on our countdown at number 3 is the historical city of Anuradhapura. This ancient city, once a powerful kingdom, is now a pilgrimage site, boasting some of the most fascinating archaeological and architectural wonders. Taking the 2nd spot on our list is the majestic Sigiriya, also known as Lion's Rock. This ancient rock fortress is a testament to the architectural prowess of the past, and the ascent to the top rewards you with an unparalleled view of the surrounding landscapes. And the suspense ends here. The number 1 place to visit in Sri Lanka is the serene coastal town of Galle. With its charming old-world feel, Dutch-era fort, and pristine beaches, Galle offers a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle, making it the cherry on top of your Sri Lankan adventure. What a journey we've had, traversing from the bustling streets of Colombo to the serene beaches of Trincomalee. We've experienced the historical allure of Anuradhapura, the scenic highlands of Nuwara Eliya, and the captivating wildlife in Yala National Park. We've delved into the rich culture of Kandy, discovered the stunning landscapes of Ella, and tasted the exotic flavors of Galle. From the awe-inspiring Sigiriya Rock Fortress, the tranquil Kagala Lake, to the golden sands of Aragon Bay, every location has been a palette of diverse experiences. The mystical beauty of Horton Plains, the bustling markets of Petta, the secluded beaches of Marissa, and the architectural marvels of Jaffna have left an indelible impression. Our journey has also taken us to the sacred city of Polonnaruwa, the picturesque Bentota, the mesmerizing Dambulla Cave Temple, and finally, the enchanting city of Trincomalee. That's it, folks. The top 25 places you absolutely must visit in Sri Lanka. Hope this list helps you plan your next adventure. And remember, the world is yours to explore.